ADTX stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Aditxt stock is a buy or not for me. I've spent freaking 5 figures on courses and mentors, done 36,000 videos over the last 4 years, so I've seen what's working for me, what's not. With Aditxt, it's a bullish market. Like, I'm not even trying to be rude or anything, but the reality is, since we got this first shift, because this is like how big things happen, there's at least still some hope for buys. But that hope is gonna be short-lived if we start breaking beneath, 7 cents. So I'm saying I might hit like a home run here, only if the rules are met. If they're not met, there's like, it's all good. But yeah, I'm just saying, like, without my confirmation being hit, I'm just gonna freaking go ahead and kick rocks, kick tire kicker. So yeah, I'll continue to keep you updated. It's actually that simple. People are already overcomplicated, but it's took me like for freaking 4 years to understand. Just to simplify it the most that I can. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, you can click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.